diaper in
I know. Pull yourself up.
Toby, come here. You get through?
Yep. Good job!
Toby! Hey! Come here!
Let's see, go down the slide. Yep, get both your feet up there. Yay! Yeah, it's a big one. Whee! What is that? Hose.
Toby!
Call Toby, Tegan. Where's Toby? Say B. Where's Toby?
Here he comes.
There's Toby.
Throw it for him.
Throw it, Tegan. Good job. Yeah. That's the hose.
You want to go inside?